Hello, year 6, I'm back. So this is the last lesson that I'm going to explain it to you. And we have just learned a while ago. So now our next topic is all about ordering negative and positive numbers. And you can answer your math booklet, page 14, question 3, and also answer the one that is in the PowerPoint, and you can write it in your notebook. Okay? Now, before we are going to answer some of the questions with the next slides, let's answer first this question. What are the missing numbers? Okay, we are going to use the number line. As I told you last time, when you're going to answer or complete the missing numbers in the number line, you have to count the lines in the number line. How many did we count? Did we skip count in ones? Skip count in twos, threes, 4, or 5. So how I'm going to check with that? So I'm going to start with the greatest, which is -4, -4, -6. And here also, -28, -26. So how did we skip count in its line of the number line? Can you tell me? Yes, it skipped counting in twos. That means to say each line counts 2. So you can see here, -4, -6. So what do you think is A if we are counting in twos? Yes, correct. It is -4, -6, and -8. So if we keep on counting, that is -8. So this line is -10, and then -12, -14, -16. So B is -16. And what is C? So let's continue counting in twos. So -16, -18, -20, and -22. Therefore, C is -22. As I said, because we are counting in twos. Okay? Now, let's go to the next slide. Now, can you put this set of numbers in order starting with the coldest? We have here 20, -20, 2, -15, 5, and 10. So let's complete the number line starting from the coldest. So which one? What did I tell you before? The coldest means the negative numbers. So the smallest. That means to say we will take first all negative numbers. Okay? So this is negative number, this negative number, and this is negative numbers. So which one here is the coldest, or which one is the smallest? Yes, you're correct. It's -20. So let's cross out now -20. What will be the next? Correct, -15. And what will be the next negative number? You're correct, it's -2. So we are done all in the negative. So we have done -20, so we know that -20 is the coldest, and it's getting warmer and warmer. From 25 and 10, what will be the next after -2? Yes, 5. Of course, this is the normal counting now, and then 10, and 20. So let's see now our number line. So -20 is the coldest, then -15, -2, 5, 10, and 20. So now this number line, now these numbers are arranged from the coldest to the warmest. So the coldest is -20 and the warmest is 20. Okay, clear? Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, would you mind to arrange this set of negative and positive numbers in order? Let's start from the least to the greatest. So as I told you a while ago, always when from the least, meaning from the smallest, you have to take first all negative numbers, okay? Because we are completing the number line. So which one should be to the left, meaning from the least, meaning the smallest? Okay, so let's start with, we have -6 and -2. Which one is the smallest? Yes, you're right, -6. And what will be the next? -2, of course, then 0, and then 8, and then 12. So if we are going to keep, 0 is always there. Negative numbers and positive numbers. This is arranged from the least to the greatest. Let's go to the next question. Now, so as I said, you have to take first the negative numbers because it is from the least to the greatest, from the smallest to the largest. So if we will draw our number line here, which one should be here, the smallest, farther from 0? Either -45 or -15. Which one? You are correct. It's -45. Then -15. Of course, now we don't have negative. Then we need to take the 0. Don't forget, 0 won't be the first or at the end. Now we have now 10 and 3. What is after 3? 0. Yes, 3. And then 10. So this is already arranged from the least to the greatest. Do you understand? Okay, so you can answer this one. You can write it in your notebook and then answer first before you will check the answer to check your progress. Let's go to the next question. Now, arrange these numbers from greatest to the least, meaning we have to start from the positive numbers. The largest, the biggest, okay? So now let's check all the positive because the positive are the greatest. So let's complete our number line from the largest to the smallest. Okay, so I have 7 and 14. Which one is the largest? Of course, 14. Then 7. So you can pause your video, then you will check the answer. Okay? 7. Then what's the next? 0. Then we are going back. We are going to the smallest. So what will be after 0? Yes, -16 and -21. Therefore, the largest or the greatest in this set of numbers is 14 and the smallest is -21. Next question. Pause your video. You can answer. Then later check your progress. Okay, now check your answer. So which one are the greatest? Always take first the positive numbers. So the greatest is 30, then 18, then 0, -5, -35. So this is how to arrange from the least to the greatest and from greatest to the least. You can answer your math booklet and also you can write this in your notebook. Then if you screenshot and send and then upload it in your Google Drive. See you on Sunday, year 6.